Vacuum mason jars. We often use mason jars to store food, and a vacuum-sealed mason jar will definitely help extend the shelf life. The good news is that you can also vacuum seal mason jars with CV10. Connect the hose to the vacuum port in the chamber. Attach the other end of the hose to the mason jar adapter. Press the Marinate Accessories button until you see ACC on the display. Press the Start button and it starts vacuuming. The vacuum process finishes when you hear 3 beeps from the machine. If the mason jar is small, you can vacuum it in the chamber. Put it in the chamber and keep its ring loose so that the air can come out. Select the Customize Vac function. Set the time you need. Then press the Start button and you will get a vacuum-sealed mason jar after 3 beeps.